let's talk about the war between America and Iran. Rahim. I am your brother Mason Ali. Let's start. The Middle East is at the breaking point with the US and Israel launching Operation Fury and Iran retaliating across the region. The world is watching a massive geopolitical shift. But while the West focuses on regime change, India faces a different reality. Today, I am talking about why helping Iran is not just a choice for India, it's a strategic necessity. The energy crisis. First, let's talk about our pocketbook with the Strait of Hormuz effectively closed oil prices and skyrocketing. India imports over 80% of its oil, much of it from region. A total collapse of Iran doesn't just mean higher petrol prices. It means a massive shock to our entire economy. India needs a stable Iran to ensure that energy supply lines and the 9 millions of Indians which become safe in the Gulf country. The Chabahar Gateway. Second, look at the map. Chabahar port is India's bridge to Central Asia and Russia bypassing Pakistan. If Iran falls into a chaos, India loses its most vital strategic investment. We have spent years building this corridor to counter China influences in Gwadar. If we don't support Iranian stability now, we lose our only direct land sea route to the Eurasia market. The strategic autonomy. Finally, this is about strategic autonomy. India has a history of not taking sides in great power wars. While we value our partnership with the US, we cannot let our regional interest be dictated by Washington. By advocating for a diplomatic end to this war, India positioned itself as a global leader and a Vishwamit. Let's know about it. What is Vishwamit? A friend to the world that prioritizes stability over destruction. Let's come to conclusion. In this conflict, India's help doesn't have to be military, it should be diplomatic and humanitarian. Protecting Iran's stability is about protecting India's future. What do you think? Should India step in as a mediator? Let me know in the comments.